are here at Walmart getting some groceries. We're gonna go out to Yucca with, what do you know, Brett. We're gonna go out and get some people that could use some food for Thanksgiving.
We're gonna go take care of them, go say hi, make sure they're taken care of, give them some good food. That's what we do for our friends and our family, so there we go.
Do the same thing for our neighbors, right?
Do it for everybody.
Awesome. So we will head out, and they're not asking for the food. We just know that they could use it and it would be supportive. So we're gonna go out, get them some food, make sure they have an awesome Thanksgiving. All right, we got the food over here from Walmart. We got what? Rolls, Coke, pies, stuffing,
corn,
ham, all sorts of good stuff. We're gonna load up the truck and get these people fed. Yeah. Here we go. All right, guys, we had an awesome time last night giving some family some food. What'd you think, Brett?
Dude, it was the best time of my life.
It's a bit windy out there, but yeah, me and Brett, we had a great time just helping some families out, feeding them, making sure they have an awesome Thanksgiving. It's a great time. I love the holidays, helping people out. It was awesome. Subscribe, like, comment. We appreciate it. The dollar cabin it is, huh?
All right. Let's go have some fun.
Let's throw her in there. Yeah. You show us where to go, Brett.
Let's go get lost. I've got a GPS.
Luckily, we all have them.
You have it. Oh, that's right. You got.
Oh.
They need them.
I mean.
Get lost easier.
Yeah. We're not as smart, I guess. The Skydio. We went here to the cabins and had it follow us through that area. It's kind of scary watching it go because you think it's going to hit a tree and then it just dodges the tree at the last second. So it's pretty cool as far as that goes. Got a good follow feature. There's a hole in the ground?
There's one over here as well. Some rocks down it. Jeff, you have to go on a hike down. Are you okay with that?
How far is the hike?
Right there.
Okay, I'm okay with that small of a hike. If it's longer than that, I need like a pit bike or something to get me up there. You know? Starting to breathe hard. I think I'm gonna have to give up.
Higher elevation.
Just a rando hole?
They're mining something down here.
Oh.
I'm not sure what.
So you got up to 75 on the YXZ? That's good. I honestly didn't even know if it could go that fast.
It was full bore. Like There's a little bit more, but there's not much more I'm gonna push it on.
So she tops out pretty much the same speed as the old turbo XP does then.
It just takes a while to get.
Takes a minute to get there.
But in fourth gear, it was humming, and then it redlined, and I was like, well, I guess we'll do it. And then it's squirrely though. There's not enough weight in the back. Well, so I was like, I'm good. That's just the I mean, they're all long wheelbase.
Woody's cabin. No trash. Please pack it out. This is a classy cabin here. Class. Ooh. Trying to turn it into the dollar cabin with some dollar bills on the walls. Got a fridge. A few people did not pack their stuff out. Nice cabin.
A few dollars in here.
Yeah, they're trying to turn it into the dollar cabin, huh? Oh. Awesome.
They thought it was a dollar cabin, right?
Yeah, I think a few people thought it was and it wasn't. I think we're about to go to another cabin that's got a lot more dollars. Guys, as you can see, I'm not very fast. I cannot escape the Skydio. Skydio is a really good following type drone. We had some fun videoing it and testing it and trying new things and trying to get it to go from one side to the other while you're cruising. Does a pretty good job. We're out here at the dollar cabin. And a few of us on here on the ride. We got Brent, we got Taylor, Brent in the Turbo XP, Taylor in the Turbo RR Can-Am, Bo obviously as we all know, YXZ, and then Turbo S up there in the top, Big Daddy. The dollar cabin.
I'm gonna do that next time we come out. I'm gonna put a bookmark right on top of it. See what happens. I'm amazed there's no one here.
Yeah. Do I get $20 for guessing that?
I could totally get rich here. I literally,
Because of the parade.
I found $5 in a Bible and my dad won't let me
You
keep
did
it.
say that. I remember now.
And I was laughed
I
at.
hate to break it to you, you're not gonna get rich here.
Dang it.
Money here.
There's 20 bucks worth of dollars. Just joking.
There's at least $200 in here.
I wonder if anyone's been that much of a jerk to do that. Huh?
I'll be rich in dollars. Also, this $5 bill.
Ooh, they put a 5 in the Bible.
Yeah.
Oh, look at a razor I can afford. They left it for me. Look at this. A razor that I can actually afford.
This is a very weird MRE.
I found the
There's
remote.
no
Good
crackers,
colors.
which is like a staple.
I found the remote. It's got batteries in it.
Yeah, I bet it runs good.
Mhm. Okay. Where's the on button?
This seems like a place that someone would live, obviously.
No, yeah, tell him. He goes all the way back. Here's like 2 or 3.
Did a little different ride today, just not at the racetrack playing out there. So just kind of a fun little different adventure, going doing some sightseeing, checking it all out. We're there around the Dollar Cabin. Really cool place to go check out if you have some time, if you're in the Havasu area. It's a fun little ride out there. You can get out there and back in under a tank, so pretty easy. Subscribe to the channel. Appreciate the support. Love to grow this thing and show everybody what's going on out here in the desert. See you guys.